these rough days off my mind. Leave these rough days far behind. You see them change, they're leaving every which way. These are strange times, and I'd like you by my side.
If your brain won't shut off and you feel like the only option is to run, quit your job, check out, then this is for you. That constant overthinking, worrying, the pressure to figure everything out, the upset stomach you feel every morning when you wake up, that's not clarity. That's your nervous system stuck in survival mode. And you don't fix that by thinking more. You fix it by getting out of your head and back into your body. You ground and focus on the present, not dwell in the past or worry about the future. That's exactly what we do at the Root and Release Retreat. This is a 48-hour countryside reset. There's no noise, no more pressure, no constant demands on your schedule or yourself. Just space to finally breathe and come back to you. You'll experience wholesome food, conversations, and guided nervous system regulation, art exercises that quiet the thinking mind and focus on gratitude and the fullness of life, journaling to release what you've been holding, yoga, movement, and grounding in nature, fireside evenings, sound baths, Reiki, massage, and real connections. By the end of the weekend, you won't just feel relaxed, you'll feel clear, grounded, and back in control of your own thoughts. If you're tired of the overthinking, the worrying, the pressure, the stress, and you're ready to actually feel different, this is for you. Spots are limited for an intimate experience of 10 people. So if this speaks to you, now is the time.